Corn going in.
Try and get a spout somewhere here somewhere. Okay. Well, not that we're going to bang into that one, but
Very noisy. Right, here we go, sports fans. Now this is really loud in real life, so I thought I'd do a bit of a voiceover. It's not actually come out that bad on the camera microphone, but basically we're putting the wheat onto an elevator, goes into a big reception pit here in some of the old farm buildings. It gets augered up into the top of this batch dryer, and we're not actually using the dryer, we're just using it to put it through the system. Goes into the pit there, gets augered up again, if I can get my words out, into this cleaner. From the cleaner, it sorts out all the stones and other bits of rubbish, and then into these blower pipes it goes, and then we're blowing it across the yard into the big green bin there. You can see, and that will hold about 90 tons of wheat. Here I am in my mask. It's also worth saying that immediately after this I went and found myself some earmuffs, because it is very, very noisy. Heifers, calf. Brilliant.
I got it, let's go!
I got a jumper on for them to do the weed.
It comes better in here, we want to see this end though. Lovely. Oh, I knew you were. You got the string, you go that thing. Good Rich. There you go.
No time.
Just holding it up. Like that, easy. Okay, then
that didn't go too bad really. We found a calf, all happy and healthy. Must be easy calving because heifers are just getting on with it. We're going to go bring 6 home anyway, so we've got 5 that haven't calved and the one that has. Richard's going to back out here. We're into the next sort of paddock now with the dry cows up there. So the 5 heifers are going out there, and the one that's calved, she can go out there. Give it the beans! Oh, lovely job. Lovely.
Say maybe let them all run up there, to be honest. Let them all run up there, we'll bring the one back, yeah? Josh gonna go well, I just get, no, you stand there, let's just get them up there. We can sort them out, can't we?
First one out. Oh, we had this beautiful park in front of a nice house and now we're here. What's happened? Well, a turn of pace out from Rod. Nope.
Right, that's right. Out the way you look.
Go back, Abby.
Coming your way, Rich. Well, that's good. At least
Wheel on the ground, that's lucky.
you've seen it. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, girls. This red one's a bit of a nutcase. Lovely job. There's one out there calved, so Moser.
No, we chucked her out there.
Oh, you got the calves in there, was it? Okay. Lovely job.
So we chucked her in, we put her in here, took the reds out, and then we got her to follow the reds out.
Ah.
Put the little board up, took the calving. Went down, washed down, ready for the reds.
Perfect. Right, back to wheat farming. We'll load the trailer up again and take it up and empty it, and then that'll be enough for today. It can't take it away as quick as we can put it in. Just get rid of auto handbrake. I don't know what you can see back there, but we're making our way through the pile. Rich is going to back that one in the shed so it's loaded, ready for tomorrow. Like I said, we can only take the grain away as fast as the sort of cleaner and system up there will take it. So we filled the intake pit right up, so the rest of today it can just run everything that's in there, and then we'll put another 3 load in it tomorrow and do the same, and then hopefully in 2 or 3 days time we'll cleared all that in the feed passage, because we need the feed passage to feed the cows now, because there's too many now to feed on that one side of the shed over there. I don't know why I keep looking back, because I have a reversing camera here. Rob and Abby have washed all this morning, because we got 3 more loads of rape coming this week. It'll be tipped in there and make a bit of a bunker type thing. Oh, it's you. Better put the auto brake back on. There's a heifer calved out here, yeah.
Bull calf, that one.
Bull calf?
It's a Frisian bull.
What the? That cow is confirmed in calf. Here comes Rob with another calf. It's all happening. Right, let's go milking. Right, check this out. How cool is this? So the cows are currently in having a bit of a feed before going out for the night, which is good for a couple of things. Gives them a belly full. A lot of them are fresh calved now. It also gets the heifers used to the yolks, because they wouldn't have seen them before. But the coolest thing about this is that. So here we have our Lely Juno, known around these parts as Jeffrey, doing a wonderful job of sweeping up, pushing up for the cows, gets them to come over and feed. Saves any of us having to push up any of the food. Now this machine will do this feed face, as well as this one. It will do the middle of the shed, so there's a double feed passage, so up and down, and this one as well. And then when it's done, it will just go back to its little house and charge itself. How cool is that? You happy, girls? You look happy. Got a lovely bit of first cut grass and wheat. Right, end of play today. Let's get this one open. Richard's going to bring the tractor in. Got a load of cake coming tomorrow, hopefully, to go in that one. And then there's some more loads of rape turning up. So Abby and Rob have washed out a bay for that. Hopefully get some more wheat moved, but Richard said he's had a breakdown up at the bin site, so I'll have to see what that's all about. And we're being watched by the cows, look. They look happy. Right, cows, I think that's it for the night. someone's going to let you out in a couple of hours. I'll find you again in the morning. I want to say, just whilst I'm thinking about it, thank you very much for all the happy birthdays in the comments of Sunday's video. It's not actually my birthday till Thursday, which will be the day after this video comes out. But we had the party at the weekend, just because it was my weekend off and everyone was available and whatever. Come on, Doug. Gus. Gus, Gus. Oh, that was a big jump. You get in there. Made the mistake of leaving my window open, and now we're pickled with flies in here. Look. Oh, goodness me. Get out, get out, get out, get out. So yeah, we had a great party Saturday night with loads of friends and some family, and I had a few too many beverages. Definitely. So that was brilliant. And then at the weekend coming up, we're off to Ireland, so we're going over for the Ploughing Championship. Never ever been to that, so really looking forward to going over to that one. I might see some of you guys there. I know a lot of Irish people watch, and that's obviously a big agricultural show that a lot of you guys will go to. Let's get belted up here. So yeah, but plans for the rest of the week. We'll try and move some more corn if we can get the slatted elevator working, because that one broke this afternoon. We've got a farm walk to go to on Wednesday, which will be nice. There's milk recording on Thursday, calving all the time. We've got 3 loads of rape coming this week that we'll have to sheet down when that comes. And I'm sure there's various other odd jobs to keep us going as well. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Head down to the description, you can find the links of all my other social channels as well as merchandise if anyone wants to buy any of that. Help support our little channel we have going on here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Cheerio.